Hi, I'm Neil and welcome to another episode of Road and Race. Today I'm getting the S2000 ready for sale by giving it a deep clean inside and out. But before I do that, I've just got to sort out the colour on the leather on the seats and steering wheel. Here's the driver's seat, and as you can see, it's not looking as good as it could. You can see where the colour of the leather just started to fade and you're getting small cracks appearing. You can see the comparison from where I've kind of half started to re-dye the centre section as part of the repairs to the rips I did against the colour it is now. We'll also be re-dyeing the steering wheel because you can see here the colours come away. So Gliptone have sent me everything I need to get the leather looking as good as new. First we need to get some moisture back into the leather by using this conditioner. Then we'll give the leather a clean. Now time to prime the seats ready for dye. I've added 5% of crosslinker to the adhesion promoter. Then we can move on to actually dyeing the leather. We're adding some crosslinker in there at a ratio of 5%. It just makes the paint work a lot better, as in it makes it stick a lot better and it makes it more resistant to things like water and grease. After one coat of dye, the cabin is looking magnificent. I don't know if it comes across on camera very well, but the steering wheel, the seats, they're looking, so much better. I've still got another coat of dye, I think, because it's still a bit patchy in places, and then I've got to do the lacquer. But this cabin is really coming along now.